how to install a T4000 meter. When you get your T4000 meter, first thing to do is to screw the studs all the way in until they bottom out on the LCD display. Insert the LCD display in holes. Make sure it goes flush to the door. Install the screws provided. Then you'll grab the box, the meter box. You'll plug the ribbon cable into the box. You will then plug the ribbon cable into the LCD display. Slide the electronic box onto the studs. And then as you feed the box on, you have to feed the ribbon cable into the electronic box. It's very important to get the ribbon cable in the box because you do not want to pinch the ribbon cable between the box and the door, or it could cause problems with the display. Install the thumb screws on the back. Make sure and get them snug. Plug your wires back in. Tighten up the screws for the power so it don't come loose. Then may shut the door. Plug the machine back in. Turn the power on. Let it warm up for 30 seconds, a minute or so, and then refer to how to calibrate.